Hello and welcome to free .NET tutorials. This is Manuel Mendu. In this video we will see a small example on GridView sorting. One of my user, they asked they need a sorting example, so I'm just creating a sorting example for our users. So let's create a website here, and let's drag and drop a GridView control. So let's, before everything, we need some data to populate in the GridView. So I'll create a property here, a data set. So here I created a view state. I'm maintaining a view state for the data stuff. So I created I added few columns and added few rows for that, so that it will display all that things. So let's name our GD some results. So let's copy this and go to your page load and just bind it to the grid control, whatever the data set you already created. So GD results dot data point. So when I run here, you will see a grid control, but it's without sorting, right? So let's go and add the sorting thing here. If you say allow sorting, go and refresh your page, you will see some sorting link, but if you click on here, you will see some exception because we didn't add any sorting event here. So let's go and work on that. So let's put allow paging also. Page size can mention like any number of rows. If you want to show like 25 rows in one page, you can mention like page size equal to 25. You can do any way. So let's go to design and go to properties. Go to events and you will see sorting, and we also need page index changing, right? So let's have both here. So when you run your program now, you will see a links for our headers and a page numbers here. I mentioned like 3 because of small data. I'm just using for 3 rows in one page. So when you click on the second, it won't give any exception here because we already created a few events for our sorting and paging. So the main thing here is like if you are sorting, if you are sorting, there will be two types of sorting, like ascending and descending, right? So when you click on ID first, right now it's an ascending. When you click again, it should become descending. So I will maintain this in session, like is it in ascending or descending, the previous thing. So let me show that. I will add a new property with that thing. Yeah, let me add in the session, but there is no need of property, so we'll use only sessions for tracking the sort direction and sort expression. For sort expression we need bond fields here, so let's go and columns, bond field. So here I added like bond field, just using our view state data set, using the same columns and using the data field and sort expression as the same thing. So we got that sort expression here. We will use a session here, and for that sort expression, session of, let's name it as like sort expression. It's depend like there is this matter, like you can use like string sort expression e dot, oh it's not sort thing, so okay, you can directly put this here so that you can use this sort expression when you are binding that grid view. So here you can check sort direction thing. Let's assume that the session is null here, so check null condition before checking this is an ascending or descending. To string, just comparing. There will be sort direction property. It says descending. Let's take descending first. Here I need to add sort direction, not sort expression. So we need to assign a value for this. When it is descending, we will give ascending to our session. Okay, in else part we'll write descending, but here we will call a function like sort. We will send sort expression and ascending thing. Let's create a method here. Here I am just taking a data view. For sorting, that will be good option to take. So I'm just converting our employees table to data view, and we will have some property like sort in data view. So we can directly give us expression space and what's the direction you want to. You can pick this as direction. That's a good notation for understanding. So there will be ascending or descending here, and rebind our grid control. So let's go and test it our page. Let's refresh it. You'll see our data here. So when I click on the full name, so let's go and see what's going on here. When I click on the customer ID, it says first time the session is null. So let's do one thing. just pull the data in one format, and let's give our sort direction at default as descending, so it will take ascending order now. So when your data is in ascending order or descending order, when you click on this, see, it directly takes the value, but it says some error here. So let's see what's going on. Maybe I mistakenly did something. Yeah, I'm not calling here anything, so let's say this as descending. That's the problem. So I think we no need of putting this here. That's good catch. So let's go and do our first click. So it's working right now. So when I see Emmanuel E, it is sorting like E. When you want to see, like, we got 5 results, so let's see the data in 5 rows. So when I want to sort this customer ID, you see 5 4 3 2 1. It's not descending order, it's on ascending order. You can go to the full name thing again. Vamshi Emmanuel V is coming top. So here we need to have auto generate columns false. Then you will have correct columns here. So you can see the sorting is working fine. Let's work on paging thing. No need of this. Here we are taking two extra strings to store our sort expression and new sort direction, and we are binding the page index here, new page index. Like if you are in first page, if you want to go to the second page, it will bind here. And the same thing whatever we did in our sorting thing, same if condition, same direction. If you need to bind again. Let's call sort function here directly. So due to time little time, so I'm just copying from my sample program. So let's go and change our page size here. Let's change into 2, or we will add few names here so that it will be easy for you to understand. Yep. So when I refresh, you will see a couple of pages here. Let's run it again. You will see 4 pages here because of 10 records. Every page is taking 3 rows, and even the sorting works like say in the paging thing. If you see, when you go to the first page, if you sort to the ascending order, the last number should be, the fourth number should be 1. Okay, that's it. That's a small example on sorting and paging. You can look at my code and you can do an example. And if you have any questions, you can comment me directly in Facebook or on my site cooljuice.com, or if you want to search my name, you can search Facebook. So you will see me, and you can leave any feedback if you want. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.